So, have you ever woke up in the morning and you kind of wondered where your brain was? Yeah, me too, right? Like this morning was one of those times where I woke up in the morning, I'm like, I don't even know where my brain is. I can't focus. I'm very tired. I'm not mentally acute. I'm not getting done what I want to get done in the amount of the time that I know I normally can. And things just aren't flowing the way that I want it to flow. So I recently met, at the end of May 2023, Jeremy Freeman of the Freeman Formula. And he and my friend Rajai introduced me to Upgrade. Okay. And so it's these little bottles, right? You take a shot, take a little tonic, and you drink this. It is, I think it's like an ounce. Okay. And you drink it down. Now it comes in different flavors. You really don't care what the flavor is. As long as they have it in stock, get it, okay? Because it increases blood flow to the prefrontal cortex of your brain. And I also believe it increases blood flow to the other parts of your brain. Now, when I first started using this, I paired it with precision sound frequency so that I could also remove interferences on the blood flow. So if you're interested in learning more about how we pair that, let me know. You can reach out at this information here. Reverend Jodi Suson Calhoun, 847-738-0242. Meanwhile, if you want to get Upgrade, I would go to the Freeman Formula. I will put the link below. And really, all you want to think about is, do you have a productive day? Do you want to have more energy, more mental acuity? Do you want to do things on purpose, right? If you're doing things on purpose, are you going to be manifesting your best life? Answer, absolutely. Have a good one.